You are the OAUG. The Oracle Applications Users Group, or the OAUG, is the world's largest education, networking, and advocacy forum for Oracle Applications users. We work with thousands of users across the world to connect you with the information that you need to answer everyday issues and tough challenges. We are focused on helping you find the answers you need. OAUG members can save time and money by applying other users' tips, successes, and lessons learned. We're also going to help you network with real users and experts around the world. Because OAUG members share ideas and best practices, they're able to make the most of their Oracle applications. And we're going to help you influence Oracle. Oracle does listen to the collective voice of the OAUG. But don't take it from me. Hear what our members have to say.
OAUG is a one-stop shop. It's where all the experts are.
You also then get to meet experts in the areas where you can have that one-on-one conversation to try and figure out, does this really work? This is a problem that we have. Have you guys heard about it before? They offer solutions, options.
OAUG membership definitely makes my job easier because of the knowledge it provides through secondary resources on the website and through the relationships with other users.
It's a place where users come together to learn something new, to solve their problems, to make their work life easier, to network.
OAUG membership is beneficial to the company. There's absolutely no doubt about that. Definitely gets me to solutions quicker.
I have depended on OAUG to help me advance myself personally and to help me be valuable to my company.
My company uses financials, procurement, projects, and Hyperion, and I've found information on all those applications.
They offer that type of concise information that helps you get a product up and running in no time and get users acclimated without all the fluff. It just answers your questions that you need.
Here at the OAUG, we're very focused on three main things: education, networking, and influence. OAUG members have unlimited access to case studies, best practices, and problem-solving information from other users and experts all over the world. We are able to help OAUG members save time and money by applying other users' tips, successes, and lessons learned through education. We're also focused on networking. OAUG members can connect with each other to share that information and education. First, we focus on geographic groups, or GEOs as we call them here at the OAUG. These are groups of people who live in a defined geographic region. They meet often to facilitate education and networking with each other. And we also focus on special interest groups, or SIGs as we affectionately call them here at the OAUG. These are groups of people who share a common interest concerning specific Oracle applications, products, or a specific industry. We're also focused on influence. For 25 years, OAUG members have joined together to influence Oracle. The OAUG Customer Support Council works directly with Oracle support to provide you with the answers that you need. And Oracle does listen to the collective voice of the OAUG. Just look and see what our Customer Support Council is able to do for you.
So hello, my name is Doug Hahn and I am the head of corporate applications at Invesco. I'd like to talk to you today about support identifier groups. It's a little known concept in Oracle support that allows customers to take control of how they get support from Oracle. When you buy your licenses, you get a customer support identifier, and that identifier may or may not be consistent to the way you're using your licenses, whether you have a project or an application. So this allows you to virtualize the different licenses that you have under Oracle under one virtual support identifier, customer support identifier, and that virtual number will allow you to have a very specific focus on how you get support from Oracle. So if you open up a ticket, an SR from Oracle, it's only visible to those people who are on that project and not to your whole organization. One of the examples that I used for my team was that the way we bought our licenses was not quite consistent to the way we used them. And so we ended up virtualizing our support models within Oracle Support to allow us to target particular applications or particular projects and the assets that Oracle was using on their support license. Your customer user administrator can go into My Oracle Support at any time and set up these virtual CSIs for you. So contact your customer user administrator to get started. So you can take control of your Oracle support. Your project teams will appreciate being able to be very targeted on what they are looking at from an Oracle support perspective. You have a lot less wasted time in dealing with SRs that have nothing to do with your project. And overall customer satisfaction, whether that's internal or external to your project, will increase.
Here at the OAUG, we offer a variety of membership benefits. One of our greatest benefits is our website, oaug.org. Through our website, you're able to access many different membership benefits. For example, members can access the conference paper database. This database houses thousands of papers and presentations. Everyone can search by title, keyword, author, or other criteria, but only OAUG members can download the presentations. We are also very focused on sharing solutions with each other through our website. For example, Dana learned a lot from Oracle, and she's sharing that information with you now.
Hi, I'm Dana Whittar, and I work for Burns & McDonnell out of Kansas City, Missouri. We're a full architectural and engineering firm. We've been running the Oracle Application Suite since 2000. We upgraded to 12.13 in 2013. But after we've upgraded and we have more information coming into our system, we started having lots of performance problems. And in working with Oracle support, they pointed me to, on their website, a list of analyzers that they have. They're a group of scripts that the support team has come up with over time from Oracle dealing with different customers, and they decided to package these and put them out there to help the customers not have to call support as often. If you do have to call Oracle support, you have a lot more information available to you so that they can help you more readily solve your problem. There's technical side and there's functional side. Functional being, let's say you're doing an AP close and you want to make sure that you're ready for your AP close and not have to run into errors that would stop you from being able to close your process at the end of the month. You can actually run these on a regular basis and make sure that you don't have any errors. Be proactive. On the technical side of these analyzers, I've been working with them for a while. We just upgraded to 12.13 back in 2013, and we had a person come in who is an expert on workflows to help us because we were having lots of performance problems with our workflows. So in running these analyzers, what I found was we actually had some workflows that started back in 2008 and had never completed. They were still active. So they weren't turning up on any kind of other reports. They weren't anything that anybody was concerned about until I ran the analyzer. And from the analyzer, we were able to determine that the workflow started in 2008, had never completed. I had 11 of these. I completed the workflows, actually canceled them, and then went in and ran the purge process, and from that we were able to delete about 5 million records out of our workflow tables, which helped us greatly increase our performance with our workflows. With these analyzers, there's a lot of great information you can get out of them. They're changing all of the time, so if you use them, be sure and check back with Oracle support on their website and make sure you get the latest ones. And I just suggest that you run them often, get really familiar with them, and the next time you call to Oracle support, don't be surprised if they ask you to run one of their analyzers to get more information.
Here at the OAUG, we also realize that everyone learns in different ways. So maybe you'd prefer to read a magazine or a publication rather than watching a video online. If that's the case, then the OAUG Insight magazine is certainly a great member benefit for you. This magazine is one of our highest rated member benefits. It's published quarterly, and we do send 10 hard copies to 10 members of each member company. And of course, all OAUG members have unlimited online access through our website, oaug.org. We also want to help you learn in other ways. For example, maybe an online conference is best for you. If that's the case, and you're a DBA, sysadmin, or developer, you certainly don't want to miss our Connection Point Apps Tech Online event that's coming up later this month, July 28th through 30th. Remember, OAUG members do save on registration. So now, as we're continuing to talk about the benefits of OAUG membership, I think it's best said from our members' voice. Hear what Daniel has to say.
The biggest value you get from OAUG membership, and you'll hear this from everybody, is the networking and the education.
OAUG is an invaluable resource for finding answers to the toughest questions. There's a ton of experts that are accessible within the community, whether it's online or at one of the regional shows, and especially face-to-face during the big national show.
There's a wealth of resources that they can have access to being a member of OAUG.
You can take advantage of it from your office online, as well as come to different forums like Connection Point or Collaborate. I think it just provides a variety of ways to kind of tap into the resources that are there.
OAUG has a lot of value for basically anybody who uses any kind of Oracle product. Being a member definitely makes my job easier. As a financial specialist, there's a lot of things about each application that I don't know off the top of my head, so it allows me a lot of resources that I can research and find out answers for my user community.
You want to get the return on your investment in Oracle, and the best way to do that is to learn from someone else's experiences.
It's driven by Oracle users. It's from a user perspective.
Oracle themselves don't necessarily provide the type of education and the networking that you can get. It's one thing to learn about your Oracle applications through Oracle, but it's another thing to learn from other Oracle users.
We were scrambling around for information as far as how to set these modules up, and we went to OAUG's website, and the white papers were so concise. We were able to implement the modules in record time.
Thank you for joining us today to learn about the OAUG. We'd love to talk to you more and show you exactly why 96% of our members do recommend OAUG membership to their colleagues. If you have any questions, we'd love to talk. You can find us at oaug.org/membership on our website, or email us directly at membership@oaug.org. Or if you'd rather talk on the phone, we'd love that too. Give us a call at 404-240-0897. Thank you again for joining us today. We look forward to welcoming you into the OAUG family soon.